Pranam, Namaste, Jai Hind. Is becoming an Indian Air Force officer your dream? Join me as I dive into the challenge of finding out if becoming an Indian Air Force officer really is the dream job everyone talks about. In this video, we will explore what it takes to become an Indian Air Force officer and whether it's the dream job it's often portrayed to be. To become an officer, you will need to undergo a rigorous selection process that tests your physical and mental abilities as well as your technical skills. It's not just about being a strong candidate, you need to be among the best of the best. The selection process is a long and grueling one with multiple rounds of exams, interviews, and medical tests. You will need to have exceptional physical fitness as well as excellent eyesight and a strong sense of spatial awareness. You will also need to have a strong foundation in maths and science, as well as excellent communication skills. The Indian Air Force looks for candidates who are confident, determined, and able to work well under pressure. Once you are selected, you will undergo intensive training that will push your limits to the extreme. You will learn how to fly complex aircraft, navigate through treacherous weather conditions, and respond to emergency situations. You will also learn about aircraft systems, tactics, and strategies, as well as how to work as part of a team. The training is tough, both physically and mentally, and only a select few make it through. But if you do, you will be rewarded with a sense of pride and accomplishment that's hard to match. An Air Force officer's daily life is a demanding one, filled with long hours, intense pressure, and constant travel. They need to be able to adapt to new situations quickly, make quick decisions, and stay calm under pressure. They also need to have excellent leadership skills as they will be responsible for leading a team of members. But it's not all about the job itself. An Air Force officer's personal life is also affected. They will often be away from home for long periods, missing out on an important family milestones and events. They'll also face the risk of injury or even death, which can take a toll on their mental health. Despite the challenges, many Air Force officers say that the thrill of flying and the sense of serving their country make it all worthwhile. They talk about the rush of adrenaline they get when they are on the field or in the cockpit, the sense of freedom they feel when they're soaring through the skies, touching the glory and chanting Nabha Sparsham Deeptam. And now, we will discuss about the various entry schemes to join the Indian Air Force as an officer. The most common ones are: number 1, NDA, National Defence Academy entry. Age should be 16.5 to 19.5 years. Education should be 10 plus 2 with physics, chemistry and mathematics. Selection process includes clear the NDA exam conducted by UPSC, attend the SSB interview, clear the medical examination. After selection, candidates undergo 3 years of training at NDA followed by 1 year at AFA, Air Force Academy. Second one, CDS, Combined Defence Services entry. Age should be 20 to 24 years. Education, graduation in any discipline for flying branch and engineering degree for technical branch. Selection process, clear the CDS exam conducted by UPSC, attend the SSB interview, clear the medical examination. Selected candidates undergo training at the Air Force Academy or AFTC. Third one, FCAT, Air Force Common Admission Test entry. Age 20 to 24 years for flying branch, up to 26 years for technical and ground duty branches. Education, graduation in any discipline for flying branch, engineering degree for technical branch, specific qualification for ground duty branches, example MBA or MCA. Selection process: clear the FCAT exam, attend the SSV interview, clear the medical examination. After selection, candidates undergo training at the Air Force Academy or AFTC. Number 4, NCC special entry. Age should be 20 to 24 years. Education should be graduation with 60% marks and NCC Air Wing C certificate. Selection process: direct SSV interview for eligible NCC C certificate holders. Clear the medical examination. Selected candidates undergo training at the Air Force Academy. Fifth one is meteorology branch entry. Age 20 to 25 years. Education: postgraduate degree in meteorology, mathematics or physics. Anyone. Selection process: direct SSV interview. Clear the medical examination. Selected candidates undergo training at the Air Force Academy. Now we hope that you have the clear understanding of joining the IAF as an officer. However, we will once again have a glance. Prepare for the written exams for NDA, CDS and FCAT. You need to clear a written exam. Then prepare for the SSB interview. SSB interview is a 5-day process that tests your personality, intelligence and suitability for a career in the armed forces. It includes screening test, officer intelligence rating OIR and picture perception and description test PPDT. Second one, psychological test, thematic appreciation test TAT, word association test WAT, situation reaction test SRT and self description test SDT. Next one is group testing, group discussion, group planning, exercise, progressive group task, etc. Personal interview, one-on-one interview with an assessing officer and final conference assessment by the board. After clearing the SSB, you have to clear the medical examination. You will undergo a thorough medical examination at the Air Force Central Medical Establishment AFCME or military hospital. The medical standards are strict and you must meet the required physical and medical criteria. Training at Air Force Academy. Once selected, you will undergo at the NDA, Air Force Academy and AFTC. The duration of training varies depending on the entry schemes and branch. We wish you success in your dream career. Stay physically fit and maintain a healthy lifestyle. Work on your communication and leadership skill. Stay updated with current affairs and general knowledge. Practice for SSV interview by understanding its format and requirement. Visit the official Indian Air Force website https://indianairforce.nic.in. Check notifications for FCAT, NDA and serious exams on the UPSC website https://upsc.gov.in. As we have explored in this video, becoming an Indian Air Force officer is an incredibly challenging and demanding job. It's not just about being an officer, it's about being a leader, a strategist and a hero. If you're up for the challenge, it can be an incredibly rewarding career, but if you're not prepared for the sacrifices and the pressures, it can be overwhelming. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a comment with your thoughts and check out our other videos on military careers. An Indian Air Force officer. Pride to be Nabha Sparsham Deeptam. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.